Hi everyone, my name is Lamzazin, student from BSDA Year 1 Sem 2, subject CSC 1024, using a Python-based music management system to generate a music playlist program. So let's start. Okay, then this will be my contents. Menu, add song, delete songs, update songs, display songs, generate song playlist, exit the program. And next will be my text file. So at first, I will create a text file storing a list of 8 albums and up to 20 songs in it. Every song stored according album, artist, song, composer, genre, release date, format of digital or physical. So I will create the text file and store the songs into it. The program starts by importing the random module and initializing an empty list called song list to store the music collection. To prevent the music text file from being accidentally deleted, I use try and accept method to search if the file exists. If the file does not exist, it creates the file and writes the songs into it. If the file exists, it then attempts to open the text file of musicfile.txt for reading. It then reads the file and appends each song to the song list as a list of attributes. So this will be the main function. It's a music playlist program that allows users to perform various actions such as adding, deleting, updating or editing, displaying the collection of songs, generating a playlist of 10 songs, and exit the program to save any changes made to the text file containing the music collection. The program defines several functions to handle the different user selections. Like for the main function, it displays a menu of options to the user and prompts for their selection. If the user enters an invalid selection, the function displays an error message and calls itself recursively to prompt the user again. Otherwise, the function calls the appropriate function based on the user's selections. So if the user call an add song function, it prompts the user to enter the attributes of the new song and creates a new list to store them. It then appends the new list to the song list. So if the user select a delete song function, the program will display the entire song list with specific index and let the user to choose and input the index of which song they want to delete. If the user enters an index out of the range or invalid input, the program will display an error message. So if the user chooses the update song function, it prompts the user to enter the name of the song or the album or the artist to be updated and search the song list for a matching name. So if found, it prompts the user to enter the new attributes of the song and updates the corresponding attributes of the song into the song list. If there are songs or albums or artists with the same name, it will print out all the same name options and let the user choose which need to update. If not found, the program will display an error message and tell the user to input a new song to update again. So the display song function will display the song list according to the maximum length of each column or row and display the song list into a formatted table. So if the user select the generate playlist function to generate a playlist of 10 random songs from the song list using the random module, and it will display them in a format table by calling back the display song function. So last will be the exit program function that saves any changes made to the song list and save them back to the music file.txt text file and exit the program.
So now I will show you the demo for my validation of my code. So at first is main menu. If I enter number other than 1 to 6, like 7, it will say invalid selection. If I enter a string, it will also come here invalid selection. So the first function will be the add song function. Tell me to enter a song album and artist, a song. If I leave it blank, okay, now it's saying my new song is added into the music collection. So let's see the display. If I leave it blank, it will show me the dash inside the display. So this song already added into the displays into the song list, but haven't input into the text file. So after the changes, I will exit program. So next we will move on to the delete song function. It will show all entire song in the song list for me to delete. If I delete the index out of this range, if I delete like 32, it will say invalid number of options to enter and tell me to delete again. If I delete a string, oh, it also say invalid input. So I delete 31. It say the song has successfully deleted. So I show the display. Okay, my song is deleted from the song list. So next we will move on to the update list. If I select a range rather from 1 to 3, it will say your input not found and tell me to update again. So I enter the update album. The album name, if I enter other than the album name inside the song list, like 1, 2, 3, 4, it will say your input is not found. So it's telling me to update again, start from the beginning. So update the album, I found album like made. It showed me the album and asked me which part from 1 to 7, which part I need to update. So if I update from other than 1 to 7, like 8, it will say invalid selection and tell me to select again from 1 to 7. So I select the 7 and change it to digital. So my song data is successfully updated. So I show the display. Okay, the song is already updated. So if there is repeated song with the same name, how's it? Display music collection. Update. And I update the album. There is an album never mind if repeated. Okay, if found 16 and 17. So ask me which one. So I choose 16 and I update the 7 one to physical. So let's display. For the never mind, it will become a digital, a physical here. Okay. So now we move on to the display. It's very easy. It's like this. According to the max length and the space here of each row, each column. So you generate a formatted table. So the fifth one will be the generate playlist of random 10 songs in the song list. So also in a formatted table, you can see. The last will be the exit program. So after the changes, I have to save it into the text file. So for 6, it will say all data are safe. So you see music file here. This is it. So everything is already updated. For the never mind, it becomes physical. And the meat also become digital. So that's all for my sharing. Thank you for watching.